Hi. I'm going to talk about the Remote Control Cars Guide. Are you thinking of entering into the world of remote control cars? There are probably a lot of questions you will have about which car is best for you. The course will help you decide. Are you a current owner of a remote control cars? You need the Remote Control Cars Guide to help you maintain and speed tune your remote control cars. The Remote Control Cars Guide is packed with information you need on choosing a remote control cars and keeping it running its best after your purchase. Here are a few of the chapters you will find inside. Getting started in the RC car hobby. Tips on buying your first RC car. Nitro car or electric car, making the choice. RC car terms you need to know. Essential tips for RC car maintenance. Getting the most speed from your RC car. And more. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.